just out of respect, even though I could go in, but I'm not like that. I didn't realize how many things I had until I moved, and I decluttered so much. I got rid of not everything, but I got rid of a lot of things, and I don't know, I'm just trying to live a more minimal lifestyle with less things. I feel like most things I don't really use. Technically, I didn't have to turn in my keys until tomorrow, and I left a pile of stuff in my living room because it didn't fit in my U-Haul. I'm like, oh, I'll just come back tomorrow, fill up my car with that, and then turn my keys in. I'm gonna get some coffee, and it's getting a little gloomy out, but that is okay. I got myself a nice bottle, probably gonna make some steak tonight, maybe. Do you guys see me right there? What's up? I'm just sitting on the counter right here, shopping for home things, as you guys can see. I need to hang that. It's bothering me because that middle, what's it called? Frame is off center. As you can see, it needs to be a little lower. But yeah, I need to hang that mirror up there on the wall. Not too high up, just like in the center. I'm not sure though. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to decorate this. I might put that up. So I'm looking at this table here from Article. I think it'll fit better, just like a smaller round coffee table, plus the white can probably pop. It's like white marble. I just got back from the gym. My eye is kind of healing a little bit. I think I was doing a warm compress. I was doing a hot compress last night. I think it's helped. But yeah, I just came back from the gym. It felt great because I hadn't worked out in a few days. Even though moving is kind of a workout in itself. It was the first time I left my dog since I moved in. It's been 3 days now that I've been here. And when I went to do errands, like my mom was here. I'm just that kind of a dad, like a dog dad. I'm very like, I don't know, I just want him to have like an easy transition to a new place, but he's doing well. I left and he's fine. He's like doing his normal routine that he would do in the other place, so that's makes me feel good. That was really fast. This came in like, probably 4 days, son.
I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
All right, I'm here at Target shopping for some things. I have to get some like holiday stuff because I'm doing a post. Then I have a holiday party later today. It's ugly sweater themed or something. I forgot to get a sweater though. I think I've just been so busy with moving. I completely forgot it was like themed. So I have to, hopefully they have a sweater here at Target. Okay, here we are. There's this one here, but it's not really ugly. But this is super last minute, so $30. The fuck? Oh, it's only small. Shit. Was supposed to only get a few things. I mean, this is like funny at this point. It ended up being $100, like a little over $100. I was like, $100? No, yeah, it was like 120. I was like, what the heck? What? Target does that to you? I had to look at the receipt when I walked out, and I never do that. But I looked at the receipt and I was like, did she like mess up? Like, why was it that much? Granted, I did buy like extra things that you know, I needed for the house, but yeah, it like that shit at the Target. You dirty boy, you little bitch. Oh, and I was able to find an ugly sweater. It is ugly, let me tell you. It is like cats. I don't even like cats. Well, I'm allergic to cats. Not that I don't like them. Also, do any of you have issues like going to bed? Because I don't have an issue like being asleep. I have an issue going to bed early. You know, I kind of lost my routine when it comes to bed. Like I used to go to bed at like 11 p.m. and that's still late for some people. But I would sleep at 11, wake up at 7 a.m. Perfect. Lately, I've been going to bed at like 1:30. And I don't like it. Like I'm starting to see it, like my eyes, I'm getting bags under my eyes. Well, maybe just because this week or two I've been like really busy, but yeah, it just, as soon as it hits like 11 p.m. I get this energy, or like 10 p.m. I get really energetic for some reason. Like I just start to, like I want to read a book, I want to like research, I want to do like all these things, I want to organize my place. Like is that just me being like a night owl or what? I'm like a night owl and a morning person. It's the midday that is not my thing. 4 to 7 p.m., 3 to 7 p.m., that period of the day is just like... So I have to go on Amazon Live and record a few things this week, and I'm getting a sty. I feel a bump right here. I feel like it's been forming for a few days. Hopefully it'll go away by like, I don't know, a few days. Maybe you noticed, maybe you didn't, but now you will. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. There's like the palm trees reflecting. I was talking to my friend yesterday about this actually on the phone, just talking about timing of life and like trusting that things are gonna happen how they're supposed to, and that things are happening for the best, right? You know, we all know that I went through a pretty tough breakup after being together with someone for 5 years, a really important part of my life and person in my life, and that definitely fucked me up more than I care to admit. And I obviously was never going to talk about it that deeply on my YouTube and stuff. I wasn't going to share the details, and I probably won't, just out of respect, even though I could go in, but I'm not like that. And yeah, I was going through a lot behind the scenes, you know, like just in terms of healing, and it took me a long ass time, I'll just say that, to like be where I'm at today. Like it took me pretty much 2 years to like finally start get over it and like to heal, truly heal, because I thought I was like fine like months after, but that was not the case. I was just lying to myself. At the time I was like, why is this happening to me? You know, I didn't ask for this. Like, why is my world being like flipped? Like, where I thought I was going to be at this point in my life, it is not where I'm at. You know, I thought that at 30 I would already be married, like with kids. I thought in my late teens and early 20s that, you know, I would be in the process of adopting at this point, or like surrogacy, whatever. But the universe was like, not right now. It's not the time. What are the lessons? You know, I had to change the narrative, and it's like, what is this teaching me? And I will say, all of that has taught me so much. I've talked about it in detail on my podcast, but it's changed me for the better. And I can truly say, after 2 years, like over 2 years actually, I am finally at a place where I feel healed. This physical change, moving to a new place by myself, it's at the same time as me finally going over that mountain of like, I'm healed. So it's cool that this happened at that exact time. You know, we have to let go of that timeline that we have in our minds. You know, things don't always work out how they're supposed to, but there's always a bigger picture, and you can't compare yourself to where other people are at. It is important to remember that, you know, we all have a different path, and that things are happening to us in different ways. And I truly believe that we all have a purpose, and that we all have different paths, and sometimes things need to happen for this to make sense. I hope I'm making sense. You know, for example, maybe I need to live on my own and experience this new chapter, so to speak, to prepare me and propel me for the next thing. I'm trying to live in the moment and appreciate what I have right now, because I am in a way better place than I was like 2 years ago, and I can finally see why that needed to happen, why that needed to end, why I had to go through that. But I just wanted to share that. I'm kind of rambling now, but yeah, trust the timing of your life.